Jumping and playing and walking and sleeping. Also stop and meeting, moving together. Oh, what a wonderful
Here to present today's news. Today is Thursday, 7th August 2025. News headlines. Kerala revises medicine scheme. Orders issued on service charges at Akshaya centers. PM Narendra Modi to visit China on August 31 for SDO summit. Renowned cancer expert Dr. Rekna Swami Shankara Narayanan passes away at 72.
My name is Lakshmi Priya Sir. I am from 4th standard. Today I am very happy to stand here and speak in Amala Adinayaka Jaya He Bharata Bhagya Vida.
Assembly dispersed.